The Taikan 856 series vertical machining center, with its all-around advantages of speed, quality, economy, and stability, has been chosen by the market over 40,000 times. Equipped with a BBT40 direct drive high-speed spindle and a precision transmission system, it achieves high-speed cutting and rapid response, greatly shortening idle travel and enhancing market competitiveness. With standardized assembly processes and strict quality control standards, every machine can withstand the test of the market. Backed by large-scale production and a mature supply chain, we offer better prices for the same configuration and higher configurations for the same price. From the first machine to the 40,000th, the sales numbers have changed. Our ultimate commitment to quality remains the same.